So we are doing numericals of refraction. तो उसमें एक तरह के क्वेश्चंस रह गए थे that these questions are based upon refracting surfaces. So as we know this, if we have a refracting surface, जो हमने उसका फर्स्ट केस करा था, in that case if we have a spherical surface like this, and object is placed here in this direction, and rays are coming from this side, we have to draw the normal here, and image is formed at this point. Is this clear? This is image, this is object, and this we have to draw normal. This is P and this is C. This distance is U that we have done already. This is R and this is your V. Refractive index of this, you can either write it as N1, N2, or you also write it as N1, N2. Let us suppose if I'm writing here N1, the refractive index of this medium is N1. Refractive index of this is N2. So now for this we have an equation, and that equation is minus N1 by U plus N2 by V, that is equals to N2 minus N1 by R. This is your main equation that you have to remember in order to calculate or solve any kind of question which is related to spherical surfaces. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So here one more thing is there. When we solve the questions related to this, तो दो बातें आपने दिमाग में रखनी है. First of all, if both U and V, अगर तो आपका U and V, if both are negative, so your image will be virtual in nature. So your image will be virtual. But if U and V, इनकी जो sign है, that is opposite. This means अगर इनके sign opposite होंगे, so फिर कौन सी image बनेगी? Real image. Let us suppose जैसे U आपका negative आ गया, but V आपकी positive आ गई, then image is real. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
And second thing is that you have to keep in your mind कि जिस मीडियम में से रे आ रही है, medium through which the ray is coming, that medium is N1, and after refraction जिस medium में ray जाएगी, that is second medium, that is N2. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So now come to this question. The question is, we have a glass sphere of radius of curvature 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 2, and has a small bubble at a distance from the center. Center से उसका जो distance है वो इतना है, 2 into 10 raised to power minus 2. Refractive index of the glass is 1.5 centimeter. When this bubble is observed, bubble is viewed along the diameter of the sphere. So this bubble is viewed along the diameter. So if we observe it along the diameter, so I just make a diagram here to show you. So here we have a sphere like this, and we draw a line that is principal axis. On this principal axis, we have a center of curvature from here. So this is your center of curvature. So I will just write here C. Now we are viewing along the diameter. So according to this equation, we have to observe it from this. यहाँ पे मैंने question half लिख रखा है. So we are observing from this side. As we are observing from this side, and it is written as that the bubble is 2 into 10 to minus 2 meter away from its center. So जो इसका refractive index है, refractive index of this glass is given, and that is 1.5. So what we have to do here, this, if I'm saying this, what is this R? ये जो आपका distance बनेगा from here to pole, that is radius of curvature, and this R is equal to 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter. So if we convert it into centimeter, तो ये कितना बनेगा? What will be the value of this in centimeter? Yes, बताओ कितना बनेगा ये? It comes to be 5 into 10 raised to power minus 2 into 10 raised to power 2. So it is 5 centimeter. Is this clear? If this is 5 centimeter, then what is if the object is placed here? This is object. Now if object is placed here, so जो आपकी ray है, that ray will move along this side. So it will incident here. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now if this distance from C to O is 2 centimeter, as it is written here, जो इसके distance है, that is 2 into 10 to this becomes 2 centimeter. If the distance between optical center and object is 2 centimeter, so what is the remaining distance? So your U will be, तो आपका U कितना आएगा बेटा?
3 centimeters.
That is, yes, 5 minus 2 equal to 3, that is equal to 3 centimeter. So in this case, आप किसको first medium consider करोगे, किसको second करोगे? यहाँ पे मैंने बताया था, this is N1, आप उसको consider करोगे जिसमें से light जा रही है. तो इसमें से light कहां से जा रही है? This one. तो I can suppose here कि जो ये medium है, this one medium, this is N1. तो ये आपका क्या बना? N2. Now what is N2? N2 is air, and this is glass. So if we use this formula, what is the value of U? Your U is equal to minus 3 centimeter. Is this clear? We have to calculate the value of B. R is given to us, so we just apply this formula, that is equal to minus N1 by U plus N2 by B, that is equals to N2 minus N1 by R. So this value, ये आपकी कितनी वैल्यू आएगी? This is minus, तो ये वैल्यू कितनी बनी बेटा? N1 की, N1 is 1.5, so it is 1.5, U is minus 3 plus this is 1, that is V, so it is 1 minus 1.5 over 5. So solve this and tell me the answer. बताओ बेटा, तब तक मैं आपकी अटेंडेंस देख लूं. Solve this fast. You have to calculate the value of V. Yes, what is your answer? Sorry, this r is also negative because it is in this side. So this r is also negative, minus. So what will be your answer? Here we have, this is 1.5, this is 3, so it becomes 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by v.
1.67.
So ये कितना बना हमारा? This is 0.5. 0.5 by 5. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is your answer of v?
1.65.
1.65 बन रहा है आपका आंसर?
1.67.
नहीं, इतना तो नहीं बनेगा. Parameters equal ठीक लिखना हमने. U is your -3 and R is your -5. ठीक है. μ1 हमने इसको सपोज करा है, this one medium जिसमें से लाइट जा रही है. μ2 is this one. आंसर इसको सॉल्व करो, इसको कितना बनेगा ये? When you solve this, this is 0.5. ये कितना बना?
0.1.
This is 0.1. 0.1 minus 1 by 2. So it becomes 1 by 10 minus 1 by 2. ये बना 2 minus 10, that is minus 8 over 20. यही बना ना बेटा?
Answer -2.5 आ रहा है.
So when you cut this is 4, this is 10. तो ये कितना बना? Minus
2.5.
2.5. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So your V will be minus 2.5 centimeter. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
From P, and this is your P. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So beta 2.5 कहाँ पे बनेगा? If we draw this diagram, so your 2.5 will be about this. तो वो इसके मिड में बन जाएगा ना यहाँ पे. So this is location of your image. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because जो आपकी image है, as the ray is moving up from denser to rarer, so it bends away from the normal. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is your question. Now come to next question, जो ऐसा ही है, but in that you have to solve that question. उसमें मैं आपकी थोड़ी सी help नहीं करूँगा, बस just I will tell you the parameters only, but you have to solve yourself. Just wait. So here we have the question. A dust particle is inside a sphere. तो मैं यहाँ पे बना देता हूँ डायग्राम. So here we have, and this is your axis. Now this is C, and जो इसका radius of curvature है, that is 15 centimeter. dust particle is inside this sphere, which is at point O. Let us suppose वो यहाँ पे आ गया. That is O. Dust particle is at point O, and the separation between this C and O is 5 centimeter. This is denser medium, and the second one is rarer medium. जिसका refractive index है, refractive index of medium, refractive index, that is equals to 4/3. So you have to find the position and nature of the image. If you observe from this side, along the same side, that is along the diameter of this, if you observe this from this side, then tell me the value of V. Question is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Same वैसा ही question है. So try to solve this and tell me the answer. I just make the diagram here. Half diagram बना दूंगा. The best way in order to solve this, अगर इसकी रे डायग्राम है बनानी हो, जैसे कई बार क्वेश्चन में नहीं दी होती, तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू सॉल्व दैट. आफ्टर सॉल्व करने के बाद उसकी रे डायग्राम बनाओ. सो ये मेरे पास हो गया सी. सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन बेटा. Now from this, this is your ray diagram. इसका जो refractive index है, that is, we can write it as n1. So it is n2. n2 is air, and this is n1, जिसमें से ray जाएगी. In this case also, when you write here, your u is equal to, what is the value of u in this case? 10. That we will write as 10 centimeter. Radius of curvature is minus 15 centimeter. Yes बेटा, solve कर रहे हो कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So tell me the answer. So according to equation we have, जो हमारे पास formula होता है, that formula is minus n by u plus n2 by v, that is equals to n2 minus n1 by r. So for here, this is n1, so it comes to be minus 4/3 divided by u. U is 10. This is minus 10 plus n2 is air, so it is 1 by v. Now n2 is air, that is 1 minus 4/3 over minus 15.
So answer is 9 centimeter.
Yes beta, minus 9. Minus
Yes.
9.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the nature of image? Nature of image क्या बना? Real or virtual?
Virtual.
Virtual.
Yes, virtual, because same side पे आ गई ना वो, जो आपकी
Yes.
इमेज बनेगी. So जो आपकी इमेज बनेगी बेटा, वो सेम साइड पे बनेगी. ये इसको क्या हो गया? So जो आपकी इमेज बनेगी दैट विल बी ऑन सेम साइड. सो जो इमेज है आपकी that is virtual in nature. So we just have to solve this. Nothing you have to do. You just आपने इसको solve करना है. जब solve करोगे आपका बनेगा 4/30 प्लस का प्लस ये बन गया 1/v. ये 3 - 4 ये कितना बना -1/3. जो 3 ऊपर नीचे चला जाएगा. So this minus will come here. ये ऐसे आ जाएगा. This negative and negative will also cancel out. So this comes to be, this is 2 and this is 15. And your v is 1/v is equal to 1 by, इसको थोड़ा सॉल्व कर लेते हैं ना. 3 into 15 minus 2/15. So we can take common 1/15. So if we take common 1/15, it comes to be 1/3 minus 2. So ये कितना बनेगा 1 minus 6/3. This is minus 5/3. So this will cancel out. When you solve it, ये से cancel हो जाएगा. This is 3. So it is 1/9. So your v is equal to -9, and that -9 will form here at this point. ये थोड़ा सा ऐसे अवे द नॉर्मल बैंड होगा. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, students. Okay. Now next to this is one more question related to this. So we have to calculate the nature and position of the image. So two things are there. We have a sphere like this, and a principal axis is here at this point. So the question is that the object is placed outside. This means object is placed at a certain point. Let us suppose it is placed at this point. Object is placed here and we have to observe it from this side. We have to observe it from this side. So this is center of curvature, and this center of curvature is 10 centimeter. Object is placed here in front of this at a distance of 20 centimeter. So जो आपका जो distance है, this distance is 20 centimeter. From this, ये इसका point होगा P, that is 4. So जो ये medium है, this medium is glass, and जो इसके outer medium है, that is water. So the refractive index of glass is 3/2, and the refractive index of water is, यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ मैं, refractive index of water is 4/3, and refractive index of glass is 3/2. So this is your question that you have to solve. From here, we have to draw the ray diagram like this. So this is incident ray. As the ray will incident here, so we have to draw the normal for this. So this is your normal from center of curvature. Is this clear? As this is the normal, so the ray will, as the ray is moving from denser to rarer medium, this ray will bend toward the normal. So this ray will bend toward the normal like this. So this ray will bend toward the normal. So two interfaces are there. एक तो आपका ये point हो गया. This is your first point. At this point, ये surface बनी एक. Second surface is this. So let us suppose, इसको मैं P1 suppose कर लेता हूँ. This surface is P2. So two surfaces are there. जो first surface होगी उसके लिए क्या बनेगी? For the first surface we have to draw the image. And जो first surface की image है, that will behaves as object for the second one. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So पहले इस surface के लिए निकालो, जो ये surface है, this one. जहाँ पे P1 है. For one surface, this is two surface. So for one
So
surface, U is
surface
yes, बेटा.
surface 1 के लिए 18 सेंटीमीटर आ रहा है.
For surface 1,
Yes, sir.
नहीं 18 तो नहीं आएगा. What is the value of U? U आपकी कितनी बनी?
So you 20 सेंटीमीटर रखेंगे पोल से ऑब्जेक्ट तक.
तो रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर कितना होगा?
10
पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव क्या लिखा आपने?
नेगेटिव.
नहीं बेटा पॉजिटिव आएगा ना, देखो. For
अच्छा नहीं सर,
first case,
पॉजिटिव ही लिया मैंने. पॉजिटिव ही लिया.
हाँ पॉजिटिव. एंड व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ n1? इसमें जो आपकी n1 आएगी ना, वो ये आएगी ना, वाटर वाली.
4/3.
हाँ. एंड जो n2 है वो ये बनेगी.
Yes, sir.
3/2. So when you solve this, तो आपका आंसर कितना बन रहा है?
मैं तो 18 आ रहा है, मैं रीचेक कर लेती हूँ.
नहीं बेटा 30 आएगा. इसको देखो दोबारा से. Your answer will be 30.
Okay, sir.
Check it once. Yes, rest of the students. Tally your answer. Are you there? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बाकी बच्चे रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रहे. Turn on your camera once बेटा. All of you. एक बार
आ
कैमरा
गया
बेटा
सर,
अपना
30 आ गया.
आ गया ना बेटा 30.
Yes, वो कैलकुलेशन एरर हो गई थी.
हाँ. Rest of the students. Yes, turn on your camera बेटा. रोमिका, अंशिका, तरनप्रीत, अनुरीत, पॉलप्रीत, सहज, नवदीप, हरमनदीप, मुस्कान, हर्षित, जसलीन, मान्या. So this is your answer of this thing. So इसमें हुआ क्या देखो, ये हमने सिर्फ हाफ पार्ट करा है, because for this if we reproduce this, तो हमारी जो इमेज है वो यहाँ पे बनेगी. According to this, जो इमेज है that will form at this point, that is at 30 centimeter, and we will write it as I1. तो इसको मैं I1 suppose कर लेता हूँ. If it is I1 for this surface, ये first surface है. This is your first surface and this is your second surface. For second surface, जो इमेज है I1 behaves as virtual object. So if it behaves as virtual object, then again we have to calculate the final image formed by second surface. So for that, what is the value of, as it is a virtual image, then what is the value of u and u in this case? हमारे पास जो u की वैल्यू कितनी आई थी, 30 आई थी ना. Your value of u is 30. Sorry, value of v, final image जो हमारी बनी है due to first surface, that is 30. So what will be the value of u in second case? Second case के लिए आपकी u की वैल्यू कितनी आएगी बताओ मेरे को. देखो जो 30 है वो तो आपने इस डिस्टेंस से लिया ना, बट फॉर दिस सरफेस, फॉर द सेकंड सरफेस, आप डिस्टेंस कहां से लोगे, p से. तो जो आपकी इमेज आएगी उसमें ये ऐड हो जाएगा ना. इज दिस क्लियर?
Yes.
Because for second surface we have to take the distance from p2, but the value that you calculate earlier, that is from p1, and this i1 is behaves as object for this p2. So जो आपका डिस्टेंस आएगा वो यहां से लेके यहां तक आएगा कंप्लीट. Now this is 30 and radius of which is 10 and 10, that is 20. So in this case the value of u is कितनी बनेगी सेकंड केस में? What is the value of u in
-50.
second?
-50.
Yes, very good. That is -50 centimeter. And what is the value of r, positive or negative? R is
Negative.
negative in this case, that is 10 centimeter. And after that, what is the value of n1? जो फर्स्ट मीडियम इसमें आएगा वो क्या है? Because we are dealing with this ray, that is 3/2. And what is n2? That is 4/3.
4/3.
Yes. Now solve the value of v for this. अगर आप इसके लिए v कैलकुलेट करोगे, so what will be your v in this case? The formula is minus n1 by u plus n2 by v, that is equals to n2 minus n1 by r. So just tell me the values of this. तो वैल्यू क्या आएगी आपकी? What is n1? तो जो आपका n1 आया वो आया मेरे पास -3/2 into -50 plus, that is n1, this is n2. So what is the value of n2? N2 becomes 4/3v, and that is equals to n2 4/3 minus 3/2 divided by r, that is -10. So this is 3/100, that is 4/3v. By taking LCM from this side, what we will get? 6, 8 minus 9, that is -1/6, -1 cancel हो गया, so it is 1/60. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So we have to calculate v, so we will write here sorry,
सर रेडियस 50 नहीं लेना हमने?
क्या बेटा?
नहीं नहीं ठीक है सर.
नहीं, रेडियस तो बेटा इसी का लेंगे ना, सिर्फ दिस वन ओनली,
यस सर कंफ्यूजन हो गई.
स्फेरिकल सरफेस का r. So ये आपकी वैल्यू कितनी बनेगी बेटा? 4/3v, that is equals to 1/60 minus 1/300. So now solve this. What will be your answer after solving this? This is 4/3v. We will take LCM 300. So 300 को 60 से डिवाइड करो, कितना बनेगा ये? That comes to be 5. It is divided by, so यहाँ पे 300 आएगा, हाँ. So it comes to be 9. Is this clear? यहाँ पे
Yes,
3 है
sir.
ना? Just wait. It is 3 upon 100, not 1 upon 300. मैंने यहाँ पे गलत लिख दिया. Just wait. This is not like this. ये आपकी वैल्यू है, ये वाली. It is 3 upon 100. Yes. So 5 minus ये बन गया अपना 4. So it is, so this comes to be 4 by 3v, that is minus 4 by 300. This 4 will cancel out. ये 4 यहां से कैंसिल हो गया, ये 3 यहां से कैंसिल हो गया. So what will be the value of v? That is 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 100. So your final v, final image आएगी will be formed at, that is v, which is equals to minus 100 centimeter. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So minus 100 centimeter किस डायरेक्शन में आएगा? That is also in the same direction. So वो जब यहां से रे जाएगी, so we have to reproduce this along the left side. तो जब why वो रे ऐसी क्यों जाएगी? Because at this point when we draw the normal here, this ray will bend away from the normal little bit. So according to that, we have to reproduce this ray, and this will meet at a longer distance. So this is your final image that will be formed at minus 100 centimeter. From where? From this P. And that image from P1, वो P1 से कितनी बनेगी? At 80 centimeter. Is this clear?
Sir.
Yes. Okay, beta. So these are the questions which are related to spherical surfaces. So और भी सारे क्वेश्चन हैं जो भी आपके पास बुक है उसमें से ट्राई करना सॉल्व करने की. So questions are very easy that you have to keep in mind कि आपकी v कितनी होगी, u कितनी होगी, रेडियस कर्वेचर कितना होगा, कौन सी रे किस मीडियम में जा रही है, when you have to, which medium you have to take as n1 and which medium you have to take n2. After that just calculation is there, उसको solve करोगे you are able to calculate the answer. एक और बात, if v and u उनका जो साइन है, if the sign of v and u is same, this means the image is virtual, but if the signs are opposite, this means the image is real in nature. Is this clear?
Yes.
So okay beta, rest
Yes, sir.
of the work we will do tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Okay beta.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.